actually thun tinga tingal ngani class na ta new chapter start just been hala democracy in India tene onni nang ni ngata dining new topic start to just the union executive tirale any union executive filas puchino zana kato parliament logic just yut ke hala oto people nguni follow chura miru oto stano sale inang ko union executive inang ko president yut ke prime minister yut ke hala tiona council of minister yut ke no sale teni president la prime minister na council of minister nguni help jot ke khadon swal teni I council bochi no zana kato group of people no hala ka chosen by prime minister choose jot ke no swal teni alag alag department in ko in charge report yut ke no government swal for example railway hala railway nang ko minister ji ko ke ka responsible in ke hala ote minister responsible in kya the railway wol demo juste dul do minuk ta che sala country nang ko so railway minister suno sena Piyush Goyal no sale the union judiciary hala tininga ta pata ki hala people ngun judiciary na ji fe chano zana to seek a justice hala insaf shik thoba no samte chano sale tene judiciary in India hala India nang ko judiciary je jingnang yampo tene comprise of number of court mamung ko ji count different state nang ko present to ke no sale tene supreme court of India hala India supreme court po highest court of justice in kya country nang ko swal tene yang you ma important part chigin kya union judiciary swal tene union judiciary wo consist of hala inang ko union judiciary nang ko chief justice of India nang 30 young judge rigang youth kyak no union judiciary nang ko tene chief justice of India suno nang kato Sharad Arvind Bobde in kyak son likao 47th Chief Justice of India in Okla. State government chief forms of the northern to govern the state ka rule chuches if ya hala effective manner yana successful manner jignang yampo state ka rule chuches if ya state government jik forms of the north no sale teni e state government ngun ka located kya tena to state capital city nang ko located kya tena state government logic jot kya khala teni state related matters hunla tasti law jot kya no teni legislature assembly yang vidhan sabha nis ka chino na law making body shigino no state government teni in zugun inang ko hala members kun sui elect jot kya na khato state peoples kun elect jot kya na sol teni e house na youth khane members kunla chizirat kya na members of legislative assembly yang na MLS te zirat kya na sol Indi governor suno na kato Shakti Kandas no hala teni governor bo appoint jot kya president of India suno hala Ramnath Kovind no hala president of India teni governor ji appoint jot kya no sol teni governor nang yampo teni nang ko chief minister no yu kya hala ka one ensure jot kya kityo start kya ki state nang ko governance bol demo just dul minuk sol teni state country state sangme nang ko higher court kya no hala teni kaula highest court of justice sangze te zera no to state nang ko teni people mun state nang ko yu khani people mun hala appeal nang chongyana no higher court nang ko kaltes people mun tio samana ka to halaki izugun law mun demo just properly follow chominu hala executives mun demo just last chominu fair manner in samte samana ka to tini khon court na sonte appeal ang chongyana no khustano sale zoom in nang ko tini vidhan parishad tu khala state legislature indi nang ko state legislature ma mopujiga yang house ga yut kya sto khala utola vidhan parishad yang na legislature council ang zate zera no yang na oti two house yut khala bicameral legislature ang zate zera no sto sale tini you upper house of the state legislature hala yula upper house of state legislature ang zate zera no sto tanga lasil masis pina legislature assembly yang na vidhan sabha zera me tini ina it khan bola chi jano jana legislature council yang na vidan parishad te zela no to swal tini e members kun la hala ina yut khan vidan parishad ina yut khan members kun la member of legislative council yang na MLC te zela no to swal tini daksa zugun legislative council bo 7 state inang ko yut ke khala ka Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra nang Uttar Pradesh nguni nang kwa youth kyak sitano sale. How are government form in India? India nang ko government po kuzo form chano zena kato ngata pata no ki India bo democracy country ji no khala teni inang ko citizen of India nguni elected kya government ji khala kuzo elected kya zena vote tangste hala election ni time ka vote tangste khoni government jik elected kyaksto teni different political parties nguni e election ni nang ko part ni na kyaksto teno swale political parties teni political parties po group of people jino hala kauni nang ko common beliefs jikut kyaksto teni e groups nguni hala different viewpoints kya alag alag viewpoints kya alag alag matters nguni ka hala kaun country nang po concern yut swale teni India nang ko political parties ma mang pojikut kyaksto hala teni some political parties are found throughout the country teni political parties khachingati country India man pa teni young countries nguni nang ko yut kyak hala oton la chizano chana national parties te zera no to swale teni Indian National Congress nang Bharatiya Janata Party iska teni example in kya national parties se swal teni young parties regyot kya khala other parties kaun region khachik India region khachik inang ko mane thoba mit kya ko ton la chijan nokna regional parties te zera no to swale teni Akali Dal hala teni Telugu Desam Party ngun example ino regional parties se swal teni political parties nguni people nguni dunla songte hala people nguni dunla songte teni ngaya vote tongzete zirat kyaxno teni they fight election hala teni te parties nguni chi chono zana election fight chono chief fight chono zana power na yongche se fia chono hala khoni laga power mio he samte election bo fight chono to election if ya langsa no to sale India tene multi-party system jigot ke khala tene system jika venang ko political party sangma hala election if you fight chungena no to sale par rega tene single party chikchigang hala majority seat chi thoba manos to majority seat matlab sujigang vote mangpek thopsta manos to hala e party chikchiga vote mangpek thoba manos to teni ote case nang ko chi chono dena ni si sangma party zoms te teni chi chono dena ga to coalition government ji form chono coalition government matlab ni sia sum chokshik changka zoms te teni government ji form chokhana coalition government jete jena no election in India teni India nang ko election every 5 years this thing ne chano khala chief chano jana leaders won elect chuche se fe chano khala both state government nang central government niske nang ko leader ji aldam che se fya teni election chano khala teni e election e purpose se fya teni ngati country wo a small party nang ko divide yut kyas tong khala otola chi jena no jana constituency se te jena no tong chun party nang ko ngati country won squano otola constituency se te no to teni te people mun hala kaun lo 18 years se sang manga chad ote constituency na teni otun leaders to laldama no to te constituency nang ni leaders to laldama no hala teni different political parties nguni chi chono zena ote candidate chi laldama no hala constituency khora nang ni candidate chi lams te teni election fight chotes la lam chono to sale teni e leaders these leaders if elected kaltes ote leaders po elect chana ga to khonchi gyuran ozana MP gyuran khala namji e election bo union government level ka songte in swale teni MLA gyuran ote leaders mun kaun election hala ote leaders mun MLA gyuran namji state government nang ko election songte na khon MLA gyuran to swale teni e political parties yang group of parties mun kaun la tini more than half seat hala win song half isang ma seat win cha ching ne po tini khone government jik form chono hala tini young parties gun kaun half seat sang new athops dio hala tingun opposition parties ite jenano tene opposition parties guni last puchi no jena ka to khone ruling parties guni chi joru hala o khone last pol demo juste dula mir oton sta che swal teni yang khone demo juste last chomet na otoveka question teaches criticize teaches ki khije yuja majun izuk shikche justen azuk shikche justen zete questioning teaches po swila sinozena opposition la sinozena swale the election commission of india teni india election commission ne chi chono na election ji plan na organize veji kinang ko create chono hala teni e election commission ne chi chono na date jik set chono election ifya teni information necessary information rikta no hala teni election ji conduct chono teni ya votes mun count chono tonong ya poteni result jik announce chono no sale teni citizen sangma hala india nang ko citizen count 18 years sang above yo teun la chi kyal na khorangul la vote tang che se hakut kyal ta no sale election time ka khon song te vote tang ya na no to hala teni khone vote value wo cham count chono na one count chono value one sale tene e voter sangma halaka ru chano na polling booth la chano vote tang je sifia sol tene khorang oni vote po ko ju dano na ballot in secrecy ballot through da kyas no sal tene e ballot kane tene tyo ensure chat kya ki hala sujigang su person jigi ka izu person la vote po cast jo se kan bo pata chamit kya zata no sal tene dang de ya tene electronic voting machine nang yam po tene vote da kya zata no sal tene ina nang po ati chapter bo charte no swale sujiga chi hamagwa yudna tis sigrale tene remaining exercise po chuches enough thank you